Hey, welcome back to the channel. Mr. Vetter here today, coming at you with another tabletop gear review. Today's gear review is on a BALILA UHF wireless mic system. Let's jump into this review.
Okay, so let's get inside the box and show you what you have. I've had this for several days. Gotten it out, tested it at range. And this bad boy, it delivers. This is not unboxed. I've used this for several days, and I'm just going to show you everything that comes with the kit. You get a USB. This will take a standard USB charging cable, or it'll take this dual cable that'll charge both devices at the same time. You can see here, typical USB device. Alright, so that's that. You get a instruction manual, and it's really in-depth. Tell you everything you need to know about the device, how to pair it, sync everything up, and even how to sync a new transmitter. You get a cable for hooking up your cell phone. That's what this is. You also get this hook up here if you have a full-size mic. These cables are really nice too. They have this grommet here that screws into the receiver. That way, if you're doing something like a physical activity, you're running or whatever, you don't have to worry about your 3.5mm cord pulling out of the receiver. You get a windscreen for your mic as well. Get this out of the package. That's what it looks like. And this kit comes with everything. You get a tripod adapter. Really cool. So you can take your receivers and hook them right up to the tripod. And let's get to the start of the show. This is your transmitter right here. So your mic actually hooks up to this, and you carry this on your person. And you have the receiver right here. So you get another cable here. This cable is for your DSLR camera. This cable here will hook up to your receiver, screw in place, and then you just pop this 3.5mm jack here onto your DSLR camera. You have a 50-channel transmitter and a receiver. You have 125-meter operating range. You have a 15-level volume adjustment. You can lock the features on this device once you get everything set up to where you want it. You have a rechargeable lithium battery. It takes about 1 hour to charge these guys up, and you can run it all day. I ran these all day on a 1 hour charge. You have the LCD display. These devices auto scan to put you on the best channel for both the transmitter and the receiver to communicate with each other. You have a belt clip here built in. This will lock up on your belt. It's not going anywhere. It's really solid. A very low power consumption. You have a cold shoe connection here. And you can see how you could hook this up on the top of your camera. You could use your tripod mount to hook this up. So you have a lot of flexibility here. You can see the thin, small profile. Good to go. Trying to give you guys a good look at the screen.
Your units will automatically be paired with the receiver. You have volume up, volume down. On the receiver, you have a jack here, so you can listen to everything as it's coming in. You can listen live. And this out goes to your camera, your laptop, your computer, where transmitter and receiver both have metal housing. This is not one of the cheap transmitter and receivers with a plastic cheapy housing. This is actually made from metal, so it's really heavy duty. And you have a audio dynamic display bar, so you know what's going on real time at all times between the transmitter and receiver. We're going to wrap up the tabletop portion of this review, and I'm going to cut to me actually using this device going out at a distance, so you guys could see some of the range that you could get. This is a demo showing me with the BALILA wireless mic setup.
I have the receiver on top of a camera right now, and I have the transmitter here in my hand. What I'm going to do, I am in a field that's the equivalent length of a football field. Back there to the tree line, you're looking at approximately 100 yards, which is the equivalent of a football field. Hopefully this audio is coming in clear, because it is a very windy day out here today. I'm walking, trying to get out here to the tree line. It's pretty darn close to the length of a football field. Might not quite be 100 yards, but it's really close to 100 yards. And you can see how I'm slowly fading. And I'm going to speed this footage up. So I'm actually going to be walking faster than it looked. And I'm still moving back to the tree line. This is just to give you guys a demonstration of this BALILA wireless microphone setup. This kit is really awesome. I've been using it for well over a week. I'm thoroughly impressed, and I'm very pleased with this setup. There are other wireless mic setups like the Rode mic setup. Very expensive. It's great equipment, but it's very expensive. This is a great wireless microphone setup for someone that's on a budget and want to get in the industry, you know, the recording and movie making industry on a budget, and have some really nice equipment at the same time. So here I am back at the receiver, transmitter in hand, communicating with you guys. I have a lavalier mic clipped here, as you can see, and I will move the lavalier mic down so you will know that I am in fact communicating with you using this wireless receiver. So let me move the lavalier mic, because these are directional mics. I will turn it in either direction and pull it away from my body, so stand by. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm steady talking. I'm steady talking. The lavalier mic is out in front of me. Therefore, you should not be able to hear me as clear. I'm moving the mic back in, moving the mic back in. Everything should be clear. But there you go, guys. This is a quick demonstration of me using a microphone setup in the field, you know, just to give you guys an idea of what type of quality you can expect when you purchase this BALILA UHF wireless microphone setup.
Hey, that's going to wrap up this review on the BALILA UHF wireless microphone system for under $135. I think it's a great buy. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up, and I highly recommend this product. Pick yourself one up, and I think you'll be satisfied. Alright, this is the better.